Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can use Roo Code in DeepSeek. So here first I will teach you how you can get an API key from DeepSeek. So here first you have to browse DeepSeek. Now I am just opening their website. Here you can see the website. Now click on your first API call. Now here you can see the option apply for an API key. Simply click on that. Now here they will ask you to log in. So you can create an account with Google or you can provide your email and password. Now here I will choose Google. And here you can see that our account has been created, and here in the usage you can see all the total spent, and in the API key you can see your API key. Here you have to click on create new API key, then you have to choose a name here, and now here you can see that our API key has been created, and you can also copy your API key. So let's copy your API key, and here after copying the API key you have to go to the VS Code, and in the VS Code you have to go to extension, and extension you have to look for Roo Code and you have to download that. Here you can see that I have installed my Roo Code, so I will just go and I will open that. If you have not installed, then simply install from here. Now here I have opened my Roo Code, and here in the chat box you have to go to setting, and in setting you have to go and you have to choose here the API provider, and in the API provider you have to look for DeepSeek, and here you have to paste your DeepSeek API key that we have previously copied. Now let's come to model. Here you have two model. One is DeepSeek chat and other is DeepSeek reasoner. You can choose one. After that you can see here input and output price for per million token. Now here click on use custom temperature, and here you can select a range of temperature. Now let's go to the chat box. Here you can see that we have access to three type of modes. You can see here you have three modes, but the most popular is code, so I will use code. Now you can use DeepSeek and Roo Code together, and that's how you can set up your DeepSeek in the Roo Code. Here you can assign different tasks to this Roo Code. Now here I've asked it to create a snow day calendar for me, and here you can see that it really did a great job. Now here I have asked it to create a SRM dashboard for me, and here you can see the result. I was not quite impressed by the result, but after some modifications I was quite impressed by the results. Here you can see that you have a task here where you can add different tasks. Here you can see the proposal, customer, and all these things. And similarly here you also have different options. You can see here you have this customer, you have this scale overview, and you also have this activity marker, and from here you can also add your new customers. Now let me show you one more example. Here I have this website, and in the website I want to add this type of border in the bottom. So here I have just written the prompt what I want, and I have attached a photo as a reference to this Roo Code DeepSeek. Now here the more specific you will be with your prompt, the better the result will be. And here after adding your prompt you can generate, and here you can see that they are generating the border for us, and you can see the results. Here you can see that this border has been added. And that's how simple and quick this Roo Code DeepSeek works. DeepSeek is working quite well with other models. Here you can see that DeepSeek is beating Claude 3.5 and OpenAI. You can see that it's doing so well. Roo Code with this new modification had beaten Cline, and using both these Roo Code and DeepSeek together will change your life. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.